Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you using custom property the rules. Firstly, the custom property manager format is very different to other program. So and some problem is maybe it's created automatically or we cannot control all of them. The mistake. In this video I want to show you some problem. For example, if you change A, B, C, D rows, for example, I want to change spider SSS. I change the part name and I know this is part name is absent, and I change is I delete in default or I add the default name, the configuration, and I add the customs or configurations and save it, and I select the file and select the exam and process. And what happened? I change all of them. You will see in the exam later. Yes, we can control some mistake, but we didn't control all of them. And you will see if you use the update menu, you cannot see the exact file. If you see info, it has been complete. So why is created? So I check it. Error property list and error part list. I change the part name so it doesn't open by the SolidWorks, so I get this report. Yes, you will see the part is not open, and you will see the error code and error description, unknown error, because I changed the part name and the software doesn't understand why open this part, because the part is not there. Or if a different problem and you see the error code and error description, and it's very good report. And error property list, and you will see this empty and this is the value. If you see the value error property list, it doesn't add or it doesn't delete that. Why? Because you change the reference configuration and SolidWorks doesn't find e reference configuration, so doesn't do anything. So get this report and use the customs. It's not custom, so it doesn't delete, update or add, and you will see configuration the same problem. Yes, we can control this, or but we didn't control all of them. For example, I choose the select file is test2, or if I want choose CPM, I open the CPM and you didn't see any part file or part number or custom type location, so the program open and calculate like this, just test2, so it doesn't any value, so the program doesn't work very well and gave some problem. uh, you had to obey some rules because we didn't extra control like this problem, or maybe you will find any problem. If you send me the problem, maybe I will add any control or does any control. You can keep in touch while using this program. And then the last one, this is the important, yes, this is the English menu, and maybe you can use Germany SolidWorks or uh, Portuguese or Brazilian language while using the SolidWorks. I don't care what you use the SolidWorks language, But if you use this program, you have to check this option, use English menu. If you don't check this, the program doesn't work. For example, I uncheck and save it, and I check it. If I open it, you can see the SolidWorks as a Turkish language, or German language, or Brazilian, or other language except English. So I close the program and I open the program. The first one opening the program, check the language. If you don't use English, program doesn't work and say, please open SolidWorks with English language. This is important. Why is it important? I open it and I say I want to show you as a Turkish language. I open new part and click the custom property and add the material. And you will see not text, not date, not number, just only Turkish value, Turkish language. So, and I don't know software support Eletus language, so I have to add this language option. So I don't wanna this option. Everyone use English, and everyone to see text, date, number, and yes or no, and then program works very fine. So I didn't add this option as a Turkish language. Actually, I'm Turkish. I didn't as my tongue language option. So if you use this program, you have to these rules. Thank you for watching. See you later.